Hello traders, and welcome to another brand new exciting live trading session for this channel. So in today's live trading session, we are going to be placing one live trade with a strategy, and as usual, I'm going to explain everything about the setup so you can apply the same when you have decided to trade. So this is pretty much everything we do on this channel. So if you're here for the first time, do consider giving this video a thumbs up so this video can also reach out to more people like you who are also struggling or who are also looking for videos like this. If you are the type of person that like this type of content and you do want to continue to see this type of videos again in the future, then you should consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our important live trading sections. So that being said, guys, let us start. So the first thing we do is we are going to try to analyze this chart. We can see obviously that this is a very smooth up and downtrend situation because we are having lower lows and lower highs. This is a low, this is a lower low, this is a lower low, and this is a high, lower high, and we can expect the market to create a lower high again unless the price action is going to change. But for now, we are going to work based on the evidence we already have, which is a downtrend. And right now we are having a very strong buyers marathon, but I am not sure what will happen next, because if we try to get some key levels, it will be very difficult now because the market has now been acting somehow. So let's see if we can draw a trend line here. You can see that the price has already broken this trend line, and we cannot even use this one. We can't even use this one as well. We can't use this one because you see the same thing has happened. So we will take this off because this is of no use right now. So let's see, our trade is still going to be in favor of the sellers, but we need to wait for some weaknesses. We want to see that the buyers lose momentum, because this is not their market. They have to lose momentum so that we can know what to do. Since this is the sellers market, we will look for the best chance to join the sellers on this chart. So that's pretty much what we are going to do, and we will see what is going to happen. And when we have all these evidences, we are going to place one single trade. So first thing, we will draw some key levels. Now let's see what has happened on this level. This is a key area of the market. We use this as our support zone. This has worked as a support zone in the past, and we will get the whole zone correctly. And what we do is we will wait for a breakout from the zone. We will wait for a breakout from the zone. If we can have a breakout, I'm sure that all the weaknesses we're going to need in this market will happen around here. But if it doesn't happen, then we will look for the next level. But what we must not see is that the price must not break this high over here. If it breaks this high, then we can just take all our hope out of this setup, because it will show that the setup is no longer a valid one and we can look for something else. So we want to see that we have all the weaknesses we need around this zone, and if we have all the weaknesses we need here, we need to also look out for a breakout. Then we will take a trade. So this is going to take some time, and for the purpose of time, we are going to fast forward this video, and I'm going to place my trade when I have the chance. Finally, and as usual, I'm going to explain everything in detail, the reason why I placed my trade. So let us wait. So guys, it turns out that this trading setup is an invalid setup, and we can no longer trade in favor of the sellers, because you can see that this is a lower high swing. The price has now broken it. You can see what has happened over here, and we cannot trade like this in favor of the sellers anymore, unless we have to wait, because now the price has now shifted. The price action has shifted, and the price is now going in favor of the buyers. So what we will do is we can only wait until we have other chances to trade in the direction of the buyers. For now, it is very dangerous to trade now in the favor of the sellers, so we can wait. We don't have any of this setup now, because this our setup we had was supposed to be in favor of the sellers, and now it is now an invalid setup. So there's nothing we can do. The price will move the way it wants to move. The market will behave the way it wants to behave, depending on some circumstances that may possibly surround it, and we can only act based on what we see on the chart. So we cannot trust any of these resistance levels anymore, because when the price is going in favor of the buyers, we can only trust the support levels. We trust resistance levels when the price is in favor of the sellers. So we cannot trust any of this resistance level. We cannot place a sell trade around any of this resistance level, because it is no longer safe. So I hope you've learned something from this video, and you can also apply the same whenever you decide to trade. You must not trade every move of the market. You must not do everything because of what the market is doing. You have to set your rules. You have to make sure you obey them, which is even more important, so that you can be consistently profitable in the binary options market, or in the forex market, or whatever market you are trading. So on this note, I'm going to end this video here. If you have any questions, do it to drop them on the comment section. I am very good at replying to comments on the comment section. If you're new here and you like what you saw, I'm sorry I could not place a trade, but we have other videos on the channel where I have traded live, so you should go ahead and watch those videos, so that you can also learn and make sure you apply the same when you decide to trade as well. So do it to hit that subscribe button before you go, and do not forget to turn on that bell icon, because these videos will be coming every week, so you don't miss out on any of those type of videos coming up soon. So on this note, I'm going to end this video here, and I will definitely see you again soon. But till then, make sure you keep trading, make sure you keep working hard, and have a good day.